My name is Roy Red. I am a 4-time best-selling author. I work with athletes with mental health, mental performance, sports psychology, and what I realized was taking someone from being good to great is the same process as taking someone from being in anxiety, depression to regular to then good to then great, right? It's the same process. Raise your hand if you feel like stress has an impact on your health. I say that stress does not have an impact on our health at all. And this entire talk, I'm just going to try to prove that.
Stress is like a cup, right? If you don't work out, you're putting stress into your cup. Then you work out, you pour a little bit out of that cup. But then if you work out too hard, you put stress in that cup. How the world looks to you is actually creating your experience. And stress in his experience, right? A person's experience is what's going on with them internally. So that's your attitude, mind state, emotional state, thoughts and thought processes, body states. So I'm gonna do a quick experiment. So right now, I just want you guys to, you don't have to say it, just think to yourself what you're experiencing. Talk to yourself and tell yourself what you're experiencing for 5 seconds. Go. Okay, you can stop. For those of you who actually did the experiment, you realize you failed because experiences are in the now moment. So when you want to tell yourself what you're experiencing, it wasn't what you're experiencing anymore, it's what you were experiencing a moment ago, right? We're literally creating our experiences with what we say. Literally. Thank you guys.